MC Bambunge ya kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi ni bakurukitie rwaria ruria rugatigirwo tongeria bwa kaunti gukurukira OBICI ya gavana KWAA GITIYO uthithia bwa barabara iria CIONTHE CIEREKERETE macukuru ma CIBITARI no OBICI cia MWINGI riri ni kirita garia ria kuthio gendi kiria aritwa aje na karinde ria baguchwo tungata bwa thirikari. Samugashima na ripoti iji.
Imuchi wa kathwana araikarobia MCA bakaunti no bichokerete imunthi nyuma ya rutha rwa biumia bieri rwa MCA baba kuthomithua mantu megie wira yago. Indeni ya gikaro giki ara MCA baba bakurukitie RWARIA rwa gukinyeria thirikari ya kaunti kuthondeka barabara CIONTHE iria ithiete mirandi-ini ya thirikari ta CUKURU, CIBITARI na MWINGI mangi. RWARIA ruru rukinyithitio bunge-ini ino ni MCA wa wadi ya Igamba Ng'ombe Joseph Njeru ura aijikene muno ta ing'ara.
Mr. Speaker, I stand to move the motion on maintenance and improvement of county assessed roads leading to government institutions. Many county roads leading to public institutions such as service centers, dispensaries and schools, among others, are in bad condition and unmotorable, leading to an inaccessibility of critical public institutions and services that impeding the social and economic rights of the residents of county as provided for in Article 43 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010.
Njeru ariuga athondekete RWARIA ruru nyuma ya guchunkuna na kuona ati mirandi kathumba iraebatiri kwegwe kiguna kariba kaunti no itagukinyirika nonto bwa barabara kuthuka.
The roads assessing Doa, Karange, Kamutwandu and Kathanga primary schools in Gatonga ward, Tharaka constituency. 2 roads assessing Pangwa and Karangi in Kandanja sublocation, Kamatanga primary school in Negamangombe sublocation, Mikoani primary school in Kamonga sublocation, Kamoga and Kiegoti primary schools in Makanyanga sublocation, Mandogo and Mogumoni in Mutino sublocation in Chuka constituency, and 3 Ngoroki Kieni Kare road that assesses Kieni Day, Kieni dispensary, Kare dispensary, then 2 primary and day secondary schools, and Kare Day that is in Mara constituency, Mr. Speaker.
MCA ibakurukitie RWARIA ruru na urumwe wakira umwe agikujagira kinyamara kira arejaga ndeni ya wadi yake nonto bwa barabara kuthuka.
The quality of our roads is not up to standard. What is normally done is people go, some of the contractors, they patch these roads up, and when we have the heavy weather, these roads are washed away.
When I talk about the roads, especially within Gatonga ward, I become very emotional. My vehicle has never stepped in my home ground because of the same. Mr. Speaker, as we talk, some of the schools that Honorable Jero has mentioned within Gatonga ward, that is Karangare, we have Kamutuando, we have another one called Doa, we have another one, Kadanga. Even the relief food has to be left somewhere in the village so that the parents can carry on their shoulders.
RWARIA ruru rwa Njeru iru RWARIA rwa mbere gukurukwa kirigikaro kia bithatu kia MCA bakaunti ya Tharaka Nithi.
Injire mwe tuonete tumikite na national government ri bathondeka stima ciekirwo macukuru na cia kinyira antu. Kogwa na barabara inu kathondekwa nacio antu bagatetheka. Kenda ward fund ira tukunengerwa 15 million ni tugeria kuthongire tu barabara riu kuri antu at least government ithondekete ino cingi menja ino ithiete kwi macukuru.
Na support nontu kuria gwetu miciini barabara timbega wana barabara imwe cia kuthie dispensaries ria mbura iraurire ni irathukire kogu turokite na motion unu ni kenda tubetukia thirikari umba gutuliricira mbeca barabara inu ithondekwa ni kenda ntumeto matikethwa mena thina muno mama gucietumira tariu ni ndia mabanda na gukinya mugundani kwina thina wana dispensary imwe cietu thaino gukaura utiumba kupata gukinya ku CIBITARI.
Nkiripotera Weru TV kuma muchi wa kathwana gicigo bunge ya Chuka Igamba Ng'ombe mbita wa Samuel.